Welcome to the Multimedia Impact Weather Briefing for Central Alabama. Today is Thursday, December 19th, 2013. I am meteorologist Mark Linares, and I will guide you through the presentation today. This briefing will focus on the possibility of severe thunderstorms Saturday night into Sunday. Here is a water vapor satellite image from early Thursday morning. The water vapor imagery looks at features centered around 25,000 feet above the Earth's surface. The large yellow X represents the impetus of the developing storm system that we have been advertising over the past few days. This feature has been over a relatively data void region, but is slowly entering a better measurement zone. This leads to model inconsistency in the timing and strength of the developing system, but confidence is slowly increasing in the overall forecast. The system moves into the Mississippi River Valley by Sunday morning, with some energy ejecting eastward out of the main system. These features will lead to a dynamic storm system developing to our west on Saturday. This storm system will move northeastward and produce adverse weather for a large part of the eastern United States through the weekend. South of the front, some severe storms are possible, while north of the front, some wintry weather is possible. Here is a map focused on the southeastern United States. A warm and very moist and unstable air mass will stream into the region on Saturday. There will be several lifting mechanisms that will produce ongoing showers and thunderstorms along and ahead of this developing storm. As we head through Saturday night, an organized line of thunderstorms should develop just ahead of a dry line. A few storms are even possible just ahead of this developing line. Due to the moisture, instability, lift, and shear, some storms may become severe with damaging winds and tornadoes. At this time, it appears the window of severe storms will be from around 10 p.m. on Saturday evening until about 1 p.m. Sunday afternoon. The red highlighted area will have the greatest chance of experiencing severe storms, with slightly lesser confidence as the line moves southeast on Sunday. The front will move eastward across central Alabama and end the severe weather threat late Sunday afternoon. It appears that the storms may decrease in intensity, moving from west to east as the main system lifts out to the northeast. The main threat associated with this system will be damaging straight-line winds, but there will be a chance of tornadoes, especially if isolated cells develop ahead of the main line or if breaks develop in the convective line. The large hail and flooding threats appear a bit smaller. In summary, the storm system timing remains the biggest uncertainty. Development of isolated cells ahead of the main line is also somewhat questionable. At this time, the greatest severe threat appears to be northwest of a line from Linden to Anniston, with lesser confidence as we head to the south and east. The main threats will be damaging winds and tornadoes. It appears that the tornado threat will decrease slowly southeastward on Sunday, but damaging winds will still be possible. Travelers should pay close attention to this developing weather system, as it will affect a large part of the country over the weekend. Please check back later for updates as we get closer to the event. Thank you for watching this presentation today. For rapidly changing situations, please see our Graphicast advertised on the front page of our website for the latest pertinent information. If you have any additional questions, please give us a call at 205-664-3010. Have a great day.